Okay, so guys, this is the round of 50 Asimov game. So we are playing Anime Vanguard. So I've been playing Anime Vanguards for a quite while. So I hope you enjoy my video. And I want to explore of my units. Because so here are my units. So I haven't deleted all of this because I want to spend Naruto Sage and Sasuke. So can you please give me some tips on the comments and there. So guys, mm, mm, let's play some Parag. Because I want to enjoy. I want you to enjoy the way I'm enjoying the video. I'm enjoying playing right now. So yeah. Mm. So I have heard some tips that oh no, oh no, I should have not picked those. I could have picked the tries. I don't like fast games. Cause they get so fast in the base that I couldn't you really. By the way guys, I'm Tagalog, but I don't want to speak Tagalog for now. For now. For now. Nag-speak na pala tayo. So, hindi ko po kinakaya ang aking language ha. Ayoko muna po kasi mag-speak muna. Pero nag-speak na tayo, so okay lang. Wala, patay tayo. Patay tayo. Mag-speak na lang ako Tagalog. I think this is the weirdest video na. This is the weirdest video. Weirdest video ever. Talo yata tayo dito or hindi. Think dito natin pwede nilagay. Tapos upgrade natin to. Maganda natin fast use. Maganda naman pala mag-Paragon. Akala ko hindi siya maganda. Kasi I've never tried it. Katulad pala sinabi ng mom ko. If you don't try it, you never find it out na. Sorry, may joke. I think this is hindi pa kasi ako makakapag-edit pa. Hindi pa ako marunong mag-edit. And if you know mag-edit, can you please teach me how? Teach me. Comments below. Ito. Dati guys, naglalaro din po pala ako ng Anime Adventure. And Sana makaget man tayo sa 100 subscribers. Since nag-edit naman ako. Pero di na naman. Kasi niyan ako, pangit ng edit ko. Upgrade ko muna to si Sungjin. Maganda si Sungjin mo. Sana di siya man-nerf. Tsaka si Obito. Malakas ng mga units. Pero kaya natin to. Upgrade ko din yung dito. Para kung sakali pumunta sila dito. Kasi malalakas ng mga units. Hindi na natin yata sila kaya. By the way, may sakit po pala ako. Share ko lang. Para din pala siyang anime adventure. Pero parang iba yung details so may kaparehas lang. And guys, isama nyo na din pala kung give me some tips kung paano maging gamer o maging YouTuber. Bakal pala. Paano maging gamer, paano maging YouTuber. Since nag-YouTube na ako, I need some tips pa rin. Oh no! Papato na upgrade. Upgrade ko to. Lakas na to. Kakainis to. Talo na nga ako. Since natatalo naman din ako sa mga games. Lagay ko siya sa mga kaya mo yan. No! Liit na. Ayan. Come on! Oh no! Talo! Sorry. Ibaboses ko. Okay. And by the way guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you can subscribe or like. Hindi ko kayo i-force. You can do it. Can choose it. Pero, have fun. See you.